Hi guys, welcome to Bioxplaining. I am your quiz master Anuska Sen, and in today's quiz, that is especially for middle school students, I'm going to see how much of life sciences or biology do you know. So let's get started. There are just two rules for the quiz. Number one, 10 seconds for each question, and number two, no cheating. Don't pause even if you can't answer within first 10 seconds. Which is the basic unit of life? The correct answer is the cell. What is the function of the nucleus in a cell? Which gas do plants take in during photosynthesis? What is the main function of red blood cells? Which organ helps in transporting nutrients and oxygen? Which part of the plant absorbs water from the soil? Which of these is a vertebrate? The pigment in leaves that traps sunlight is. Number of chambers in a human heart is. What type of blood cells fight infections? Animals that eat only plants are called. Which of these is a unicellular organism? The process by which plants make their own food is. Which is the largest organ of the human body? system controls your body activities using electrical signals. Which of these animals does not lay eggs? What is the function of the stomata in leaves? Which of these is not a mammal? The process of shedding old skin is called? Which group do snakes belong to? Which vitamin do we get from sunlight? What are the building blocks of proteins? How do fish breathe underwater? Which process releases energy from food in cells? What do we call animals that can live both on land and in water? Well, so how many did you get right? Comment below and let me know.